Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut template watermark. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to launch my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a video using the CapCut template. And I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut watermark from the template. Okay, here I'm going to go to the templates menu. And then we can choose the template we're going to use. And for example guys, I'm going to select this template. For example, I'm going to replace the photos in the template with my own photos. Okay, this is how the template looks like, and I'm going to use it. We can click on use template, and then I'm going to replace it with my own photos. I'm going to select photos from my gallery. I'm going to choose photos from this pins folder. Okay, and here I'm just going to pick a random photo. I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now the items have been selected, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. The video will be created automatically with the CapCut template. Okay, and if you don't like the audio, you can change it. Just go to the audio if you want to change the audio. You can use the recommended audio from CapCut, or you can add sound or extract audio. And I'm just going to use the original audio guys. Okay, then you can crop your photo or replace your photo and apply filter as well to your photo if you want. If you want to crop it, you just need to click on crop, and if you want to replace it, you can click on replace. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to export this video. We can click on export, and then if we want to remove the watermark, we just need to select export without watermark, and then the video will be exported without the CapCut watermark. Okay, now the video is being exported guys, and the video is ready to share to your social media. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark from template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.